We're very excited this year at IDS 19 Toronto to actually have a world premiere. This is our all-new generation product for refrigeration. It's MasterCool 2 by Miele, and it's the first time we're showing this anywhere in the world. One of the key features we have with MasterCool 2 is convenience for the customer and ease of open. So you're able to actually have a handleless design, as you actually can see, fully integrated. And the way we do this is we have a push to open function, which makes it very easy for the consumer to actually open the door of the fridge. Oops. And that's one of the key features that we have, as well as LED lighting, making it very easy for consumers to actually see where they're actually putting their product for organization purposes, and complete flexibility. So this is the first ever Miele MasterCool 2 refrigeration. So one of the other benefits of MasterCool 2 is all the variations you can put together, because actually, as you can see, it's a column design. So some customers just want a fridge, which you can have. This is here. In this case, we're pairing it with a freezer here. So it's a 24-inch fridge, 24-inch freezer, which makes it 48-inch side by side. But in some cases, we also have French door variations at 36-inch. And you can actually combine the fridge and freezer combinations as you want. So it's completely customizable by the customer. That's one of the other huge design benefits of MasterCool 2. So as smart home becomes more prevalent in the marketplace, with MasterCool 2, consumers actually can connect to their phone with the Miele Add mobile app. So what does this allow the customer to do? So not only does it allow the customer to actually remotely set the temperature on their fridge, but it also gives them warning signals. So for example, if you accidentally left your fridge open and you went for work, a notification would actually be sent to your phone telling you that your fridge is open, so that you don't actually waste all the food during the day. The other thing is, a lot of consumers actually have these fridges in their cottages or summer homes. So what it allows the consumer to do is, say that I haven't been to my summer home for a long time and I'm now going up there. I can actually increase the temperature of the fridge before I actually get there, so it's actually ready for me to use. So I wasn't wasting electricity while I wasn't there, and it would be perfectly ready for me to actually bring my wine, beer, and other foods actually when I get up to the cottage. So that's the major benefit of having Miele Add Mobile and the ability to connect through Wi-Fi.
We're here today at IDS showcasing some of our unique form factors with digital technology that architects and designers might want to incorporate into their design. To my left here we have our transparent LED color film, which can adhere to any glass. That's unique on the market. We also have our stretch panels here, which are unique form factors. We have the 86-inch to my right and the 88 to my left. We also are showcasing some unique OLED form as well. So we have our double-sided in-glass OLED unit over here, which has been an absolute showstopper and a fan favorite today. We have our wallpaper unit as well. You can kind of see in the background it's floating on the wall, which really can capture a lot of attention. And we also have a curved unit in the corner here. You can actually flex it concave or convex depending on the mood you're in during the day. So really showcasing a lot of different options for people and just getting our name out there so designers have some options when they have those conversations with their clients. Really happy to be here today.
You will get an audio story and which is like an audio device, and then you have to choose between eating two seeds, either one or the other. It's like the Matrix, you know, you have the red pill and the blue pill, and which one you chooses will actually decide if you will hear the truth or if you will remain in your capsule. So you will take one seed, and then the seed will talk to you. So you will actually listen to the seed. You take the seed inside, and then the seed will be in your belly, and then the seed will talk to you from inside your belly. So it's really nice. You can't really, you know, forget it because it's already inside you. You carry it. And then when you go into the ribbon forest behind you, you will actually start grinding seeds up, and there will be someone making really nice flatbread, so you also have the smell of flatbread. And then when you enter this honeycomb, you will hear a story about the seed and water. And you know, if you start putting water on the seed, it will start to grow. And this whole installation is really about the very simple, basic things of life.
This installation is called Respace. It's the containers are provided by Giant Containers. As you know, they're also working on the Big Stack project at Bathurst, where they're recreating all the restaurant spaces that will be open in spring. These spaces have also been powered by Microsoft. So we invited 4 very, very different design and architecture firms to really delve into the 4 topics that we talked about: was work, live, play, and learn.
We have here what we call Haven, which is a number of clouds that you can go inside. These are pods that you can go inside to meditate or to take a break during work time. And what we do is we place this in office spaces for, like I said, to people to take a moment and kind of like rest from the workday and become more productive.
This is an amazing experience for us to work with Ontario Wood. It's actually, they put it out to competition every year to architects and designers across Ontario, and we submitted a proposal and we were selected by them for this show. And so it's really an honor to work with them. And we're also really lucky to be able to showcase some of the work of the top craftspeople and fabricators in the province within our space.
What we have here is a brand new product that we're launching at IDS Toronto, and it's a 700 square foot cabin, the Great Lakes cabin. It has 450 square feet of interior space with a sleeping loft and also a bathroom. It's a kit of parts structure, and this unique approach allows it to be assembled very easily and very quickly. This cabin was assembled in 72 hours here on site.